Chenro mag somo nokwame ka tiegruok mar chenro mag Wath kata Maritime County Mombasa bang' jopuonjre kuno somo kakoro giywago kaka tend ka tiegruok no tayogi. Jopuonjrego nogoyo kambi e dho rangach mar ka tiegruok no kagiramo ni ok gibi dok e klas nyaka winj ywak margi. Ne ochuno obila mondo mi ochop kanyo mar geng'o tulo mane nyalo muoch e kinde no. Ka tiegruok ma Bandari ni kod jopuonjre maromo 800 mayudo tiegruok e lony opogore opogore motenre gi weche mag nam.
There's a very poor management in the academy whereby some of the lecturers are not being paid. So you find it becomes a challenge to even to our syllabus, hatufundishi kule madarasani. And the other challenges we're also having, we used to have a revolving fund that was there, but since we had a new CEO in the academy, the revolving fund came to an end. So we don't understand what exactly is happening at the academy.
We don't understand why we are paying so much school fees, been given very smart uniforms, but we don't see results. Yes. Yani, the school is just putting on public a good PR, lakini kwa ground wako tunaendelea.
Fee structure tumeandikiwa tunalipa school fees kuanzia term 1, term 2, term 3. Na tukiangalia term 1 most of us watu tunakuwa attachment. So tunapata kwa fee structure bado inatuandikia kwa tunalipa. So hiyo kitu ndo tunataka shule ituambie kwa nini tunalipa school fees na ili hali hatuko shule.
Tunataka tuambiwe venye pesa yetu inatumika. Tunataka tuone venye ukilipa pesa unaona imeenda kwa project fulani na fulani.
We would have preferred BMA under KPA and not this new administration. Katana is not working for us. Is against us always.